The present perfect continuous tense is a verb form used to talk about actions that started in the past and are still continuing in the present. It is formed by using have has been, the present participle of the verb. One great example of how the present perfect continuous tense can be used is in describing long-term soil protection efforts. Farmers all over the world have been implementing various techniques to improve soil health and prevent erosion for many years. These efforts have been ongoing and are still continuing today. For instance, organic farming practices have been increasing in popularity over the past few decades. Farmers have been using crop rotation, cover cropping, and composting to improve soil fertility and reduce the need for synthetic fertilizers and pesticides. These practices have been helping to protect the soil and promote a healthier ecosystem. Another example of long-term soil protection efforts is the implementation of conservation tillage techniques. Farmers have been reducing tillage and adopting no-till or reduced-till methods to minimize soil disturbance and prevent erosion. These practices have been improving soil structure and increasing water retention, leading to better crop yields and a more sustainable farming system. Furthermore, reforestation efforts have been ongoing in many parts of the world to restore degraded soils and prevent desertification. Trees have been planted to stabilize soil, reduce erosion, and improve water infiltration. These efforts have been successful in protecting soil and promoting biodiversity in various ecosystems. In conclusion, the present perfect continuous tense is a useful tool for describing long-term soil protection efforts that have been ongoing for many years. By using this verb form, we can emphasize the continuity and persistence of these actions and showcase the importance of sustainable farming practices for the health of our planet.